At the University of Exeter, we recognise that good education changes the world. That's why we've set up the Education Incubator, to develop groundbreaking new approaches to teaching and learning at university. Universities are places where people come together to create and share knowledge. We gather with a spirit of curiosity to challenge traditional thinking and test our emerging ideas. In the Education Incubator, we are supporting academics and students to work in partnership to ask questions like, how can we prepare students to meet the grand challenges we all face? How can we reimagine learning spaces so all members of the university can thrive? What does it mean for students to truly learn with each other alongside academics in ways that impact communities and businesses right now? We are able to provide robust answers to these questions because we are solving them together and everyone involved benefits. Our academics value the drive, knowledge, and skills students bring. Our students gain insights into their university and the research we undertake, developing their own research and communication skills. They grow in confidence and are proud of their contribution. Together, they are developing new approaches to learning at university. Their work will inform what education looks like at Exeter and beyond. Together, we are transforming education. We are changing our world.